know that over the last 2 months, interest rates have just skyrocketed, meaning that monthly mortgage payments have also increased as well. But what if your mortgage was only on a $179,000 home that features 2 beds and 1.5 baths that requires 0 exterior maintenance? Located in Coaldale, which is just a 5 minutes drive from Lethbridge, you have everything you need in this town. You have beautiful parks just like these, an incredible golf course, an outdoor pool and outdoor spray park for the kids, as well as a booming downtown core. Now, this home is perfect for those first-time homeowners out there looking to get into the housing market and build some equity. However, for those savvy investors, condos like these provide worry-free investing, meaning that you're never gonna have to shovel a sidewalk or mow any of the grass or replace any of that roof and siding. Now, all that being said, let's get inside and check it out. On this main floor, you have an open concept kitchen and living room space. And I just love how open it is up here. You also have bright windows on either side of this unit that brings in a ton of natural light. In this kitchen, you also have newer appliances as well as very well maintained kitchen cabinets throughout. You also have a 2-piece powder room on this floor as well as a large coat closet. And don't forget about your laundry room over on this side that can easily double as storage. And my favorite feature, this elevated deck to enjoy those summer barbecues on a day just like today. On the lower level, you have bedroom number 2 with ample closet space, as well as the main 4-piece bathroom, and the primary bedroom that features a massive walk-in closet. Now listen, at this price point, you're definitely not gonna find anything nicer in Coaldale, and for sure not in Lethbridge. And to prove it, let's jump in my app that you can download right down there in the description below to check this out. With a 5% down payment, your monthly mortgage payment will be less than $1,000 at a 5% interest rate. And once you add on a condo fee and property tax, your monthly payment's gonna be about $1,430 per month, which is A, cheaper than rent, and B, you're gonna be really building up that equity that's gonna reward your future self. And for you investors out there, putting down 20%, your monthly payments for your mortgage, condo fees, and even tax is gonna be just $1,273. And with this previous owner, they were actually renting this out for $1,650 per month. So how is this not the perfect investment? Thank you guys so much for tuning into this home tour. And if you guys want to see this home in person, be sure to call, text, or email me. My name's Kurtis Hawkins with the Red Door YQL team. And if you guys never want to miss another Lethbridge or area home tour, be sure to hit that subscribe button and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.